Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord you are being rate limited. This message appears when Discord blocks too many rapid actions, like failed verifications or spamming. It's a temporary cooldown to protect servers from spam or abuse. The block usually lasts from a few seconds to a few minutes. You can fix it safely without losing your account or data. Close Discord completely, including background processes. Then, wait 5 to 10 minutes before trying again. If it doesn't go away, restart your router to get a new IP address. Next, try using Discord in incognito mode or switch to a different browser. Then, avoid repeatedly clicking verification links or spam actions. If you are using a VPN, disconnect or switch servers, as shared IPs trigger limits. Then, clear the cache and cookies in your browser or Discord app. Finally, reopen Discord and continue normally once the limit expires. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.